back to my channel. So today I have a Colourpop, I guess it's like a PR unboxing. They actually sent me over their new rainbow palette or rainbow collection that will be coming out August 14th at 8 a.m. I'm gonna try to get this video before then. Today is the 12th at about 9 p.m. And I just got it like today, so I was trying to hurry up and film this video for you guys so you guys could see a little bit of it, like on dark skin tones, some swatches, get a little feel for it, you know what I'm saying, before you try to shop. I also want to let you guys know that I do have a code with them where you guys can get $5 off your next order. Where is that paper? You can get $5 off your next order, and this is the code 5B. So if you guys are interested in what all is in the collection and what all I got and how it will all come together, then please keep on watching. But while I have your attention, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and you know, turn your notifications on so you don't miss my next video. Okay, let's get right into it. Alright, so super freaking exciting. I love Colourpop. Like, it was one of the first companies that like I started when I started with makeup, because they were super affordable and they had a good like decent variety of things to choose from. So like, I'm so excited to be partnered with them and to get PR for them. Like, that is amazing. And I need to calm down because I'm too excited, okay? But I just wanted to, I've actually gotten a couple packages from Colourpop so far, but I haven't been filming them because I felt like it was something that people weren't really like watching or whatever. So let's see what we have first. So the first thing I have up here is this Rainbow Road Super Shock Jelly Much Foursome. We have two shadows that are pink and this yellow. The yellow is Origami and the pink is No Rest for the Vivid. So I just want to open this real quick. And it has this thing on the top that says keep me. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look how pretty it is, and look at this. Barely even moves. Okay, so those were two of the foursome, and then the other two were two Super Shock Prismatic Pigments in the color Shy Guy and Fizz. And Fizz is this green one. So again, this was the Rainbow Road Foursome, and this retails for 20 bucks. I'm trying to look at my little cheat sheet as to how much things are, but 20 bucks for 4 shadows, $5 a shadow, so it's not bad. And the colors are like super bold and vivid, and I love that. It goes right with the theme of the palette. Next I have the Overchromatic BFF Cream Gel Liner Bundle. I really like that all these are like bundles because you get all the different colors, of course. And this retails for $20, so it has, I want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get the gel liners in Puppy, Cross, Electric Daisy, Prance, and Piggyback. The only weird thing about some of these Colourpop lines is that a lot of it says not intended for use on immediate eye. So if you are like a beginner or something like that is nervous about getting things into your eye, a lot of these products don't, it says not intended for eye. Even like the yellow and the orange Aren't You Glad palette I have, it's a bunch of colors in those palettes that say they aren't intended for the eye, although I chose to use it anyway. But just be aware of that when you're buying it. Look on the website and see what is intended for eyes and what isn't. This will be good for people who are looking for creative looks, want to draw on their face and stuff like that, or aren't worried or concerned about getting anything into their eyes. So next I got this Head in the Clouds. It is a Head in the Clouds face milk set. So yes, you're right, for Beauty. So we have, this is so cute. It's like a face milk of each color basically. So you have the watermelon face milk, the papaya, the turmeric, the matcha, and the acai. And then on the back it shows you like all the different uses of the different face milks. I'm not going to take these out because it's skincare, but I really like these face milks. I actually already have the turmeric and the matcha, so I might do a giveaway and give them away. And this is only $25 for all these. So if you have a friend or somebody that you're trying to get a gift for and they love skincare, this will probably be a good, you know, a little gift for them or whatever. So the next thing I have is the Color Me Happy, which is their BFF mascara bundle set. Okay. And this is $40. You get 5 mascaras and they're all in different colors. I'm not going to open them all, but I will show you this. And it's kind of hard to swatch mascaras, but they're all different color mascaras. So you have a yellow one, a coral, a pink, a light purple, like a lavender color, and a teal. So you get so many colors if you were to get this whole set, but like it's so hard to find like products that are colorful like this. So I think it's a great idea. And so far the things that I have swatched are super pigmented, so like I feel like these will be staples. I think you should go ahead and get it so you can have these colorful items, because sometimes when you're looking to do colorful looks, it's really hard to find exactly the color that you're looking for. So I'm extremely happy to have this. So then when I start doing like my cosplay looks and other looks like that, I got a bunch of colors and stuff to play with. So, and that's on period. So as with most of their sets, they usually include, or with most of their PR packages that I receive, they usually include a brush set and also some type of skincare product, which they did with all these face milks or whatever. But they have the Mad About Me, or no, it did not say that. Mad About Hue. And you have a small angle brush, small taper brush, blending brush, small shader brush, and a small fluffy brush. All right, last but not least, we have the star of the show, and that is the She's a Rainbow palette. This retails for $40, and it is actually a pan palette. It's not like the typical 9 shadow palette that you usually get. Like, this is so pretty. And realistically, like, oh my gosh. I like that it has like the pastel colors, the pastel colorful colors at the top. And then it also has like the various shimmers of those colors. And then you also have some bulky glitters in here as well. Like, what? They really touch base and cover base with this. Like, you go from like light purple to like metallic purple to like matte purple to like a shimmer purple, and it's like a similar trend all the way down on each row for all these colors. Like, this is genius. Oh, you can get so many uses out of it. Because my issue usually, my issue is usually that like you'll get either a bunch of shimmer colors or a bunch of matte colors, and it's like you kind of need both to make a poppin' look. I more so am excited about these matte. The matte row, girl, if they're pigmented, it's over. I'm gonna at least swatch these mattes right here for you guys, period. So I'll swatch them and then I'll show you that. Bro, look at this purple. What? That is intense. Some intense. And then you have a couple more mattes underneath, like darker mattes. Let's see if I could just swatch. Oh my god, I live. This pigmented, this is as pigmented as like you can ask for. You paid for high quality eyeshadows that can't even swatch well like this for like mattes. So yeah, this is dope. And then here's like the reddish color. Oh, so pretty. Look at my arm. But yeah, so now I'm gonna try to create a little look because I do have to go to work in a little bit. So I'm about to beat my little eyes with all these colors, and then we're gonna take it off. But yes, I'm gonna speed that part up, but I am about to do a little eye tutorial for you guys so you can see how the products look on dark skin and on the eye.